Hey, what's going on, guys? Ronnie here with Osborne, and today we're going to be talking about end brushes. Now, these end brushes are especially suited for use on portable air and electronic tools, CNC and robotic equipment, and the end brush is designed to work where space limitation is a factor. In most applications, higher speeds up to 25,000 RPMs are required for effective brushing action. Osborne end brush fill materials include carbon, stainless steel, brass, natural fiber, ATB abrasive nylon, and elastomer encapsulated wire. So, I got a couple end brushes with me here today. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so what I got right here is I have a couple different end brushes from Osborne. I'll go ahead and show you the ones that I have here. This one's a carbon brush. You can tell it's carbon. It's got the zinc casing on it. And all these brushes are going to have RPM ratings on here. So make sure you check that specific to what tool you're going to be using it with. You can use them with drills and die grinders, CNC machines, air tools. The list goes on and on what you can use these end brushes with. And the big advantage of using an end brush is it can get into spaces where an angle grinder is not going to fit. Especially you put it on a die grinder like this, we're going to be able to clean the inside of this steel as well as the outside. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that later in this video. But then, like I said, I got some different ones here with me. This is a brass knotted end brush right here. And then I have the stainless. You can always tell stainless because I have the black casing on them. And these brushes are just, they're a great tool to have. And I think they go overlooked a lot sometimes. End brushes, they clean things that are hard to reach, and they do it well, especially with these Osborne products. So I got this die grinder, this end grinder right here, and we got a end brush on here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean up this steel right here. It's got some rust on it. We're gonna clean out the outside as well as the inside, and I'm gonna show you guys just how these end brushes work. So here we go. Alright, so as you guys saw, that end brush, it completely removed all the rust. Look at this. Wherever I used it, I used it on top right here. It completely removed that oxidation, as well as the inside. Look, I hit the inside with that end brush, and it completely cleaned up that steel down there on the bottom and on the sides. And you can see how when I was using that end brush, it kind of flared out a little bit. And that is designed to do that, it's designed to flare out like that. And when you're using on the inside, you can really make it, kind of form to what you're working on. And that's what I really like about these end brushes is they clean those spots that are hard to get to. And so if you need to clean spots that are hard to get to, make sure you check out Osborne's end brushes. I promise you'll like them. Osborne.com, check it out.